Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna see how to download Teamviewer software. So Teamviewer is basically used to connect between two different machines. The video which we've seen before in the previous videos, like AnyDesk software, it is primarily used by the IT professionals, and it is done for accessing a computer which is in a remote location which you cannot physically access them. So you have a free use which you can use for your personal use, or you can give it a try how it works for your business, and then you can go for the commercial version which would be paid services, and you can see the prices here. Okay, let's begin. So in order to test it out, we're gonna go to teamviewer.com website, and once you land on the website, you'd see download free option over here. You click it, and once you download it, you have the file. Now I'm gonna install the setup file. Click on it and hit run. Okay, here we can see the types of installation. Now how do I want to install it? I'm gonna do it in a default method. And how do you want to use Teamviewer? It's for personal and non-commercial. And if you hit show advanced, it can show you configurations such as port configuration and all. So that is not necessary at the moment. We're gonna do it in a simple method. So we're just gonna accept and finish. Give it a minute. Okay, it's done. Once it's done, I'll open this with their website. So just close it. So there you go. So this is Teamviewer. So what you see in this here is, you to allow remote control, you need to give them your ID and the password. So this is for when user wants to connect to your machine, you can give this ID and the password to allow remote access to your machine. And how do you control other one's machine? You follow the same. The other user at the other side, they need to give their ID and password. You give the ID here and hit connect, and it will request for a password, and you give the password and hit OK. You get connected. All right, let's see a demo. So I have two different machines. Here it is, and I have this file. I'm going to install it in the same manner. Okay, it's installed, right? So what I want to do is, I'm going to connect to this machine from that machine. So for that, I need the ID. I'm going to copy this ID, go to that machine, paste it over here, and I'm going to hit connect. So as you can see that you get two different options. Let's just cancel this for a moment and see what is this. There is remote control option and a file transfer protocol. Sorry, not protocol, it's file transfer. File transfer is basically you just need to transfer some files from that computer. You just hit this, so that you don't get to see the user desktop, or you don't get to get the interactive desktop. You're just gonna see a file transfer browser between two machines. So that is for this option. So you go with remote control for the moment. I'm gonna hit connect, and it'll ask for a password. Let me go get the password from there. Okay, and we give a moment. Probably I have a slow internet or something, but it should get connected. Let's see if it's requesting for something in the other end. Okay, it's connected. Yeah, it's connected. So there you go. Now this is the machine that you just remoted into. Let's see what else you got. So I'm gonna go back to that machine and show you how. So this is the machine which I have been remoted into. See, it's working. For some reason I'm not able to access I don't know is that. Let's go to the other side and see if there is any settings. Allow controllers there. Let's see. So this is how you basically connect do remote between two computers. I don't know, for some reason I'm not able to access it, but we'll sort it out. But yeah, it is all the features you get. You have this action button on the top where you can lock their systems, or you can give it a reboot in safe mode and send control all buttons. Send key combination in specifics where you can specify certain keys like control alt del or others hotfix keys. You can block the user's input from like mouse or keyboard. Show black screen, that is just disabling the wallpaper. And you can also add participant to the machine. If you have a script you can do the automations, but that is for the business plans. So yeah, apart from that, these are the views. What other option you get here is like best view, optimize screen resolution, match it. Then you have communicate. Communicate is by if both of the users have a good quality headset with a mic, they can call via internet, or you can switch to telephone call, but that is just limited to the number of countries which has these options. Like you have like these only specific countries, so this option is not suitable for everyone, because if you're calling from a different, you're working from a different country, this option doesn't matter, so you can go via internet call. Same thing, you have video chat. If you have a video webcam on, you can see it, chat option. Then you also have a file transfer option as well, where you can transfer files between this machine and that machine. So yeah, that is about it with Teamviewer, guys, and this is to close the connection. Okay guys, that is about it, and I'll see you in another video with another great tutorial. Thank you.